AutoKNIT is located in Yuan, a town famous for its knitwear in China, producing 70% of all Chinese knitwear. Being only 1 hour away from Shanghai makes logistics very convenient and the rest of the world very close. We manufacture luxurious and natural yarn fibers. If you visit our factories, you can see everyone working with an honest smile because our employees know that their daily hard work is providing the world with comfortable and beautiful wool products. We are confident in our production because our production line uses whole garment technology to support you quickly, no matter how big or small the order is. Our technicians generate model in computer softwares in which we create a product to fit your specific needs. Our experience in difficult pattern making gives you the freedom to create difficult designs used by top brands. We insist in doing automatic and manual inspections throughout the whole process. With our computer data control system, we take quality control seriously to reduce dyeing risk and ensure our clothes keep their great quality consistent between batches. Throughout the whole process, we have a total of 3 quality inspections: before the knitting, after the knitting, and after the washing, in order to deliver quality product to our clients. We are always producing with love. Defects can't be missed, and loose threads can't get packed. We have a serious attitude about quality to ensure that every client is happy when they receive our knitwear products. Our vision is to offer you the best service in the knitting industry because we love knitting and we would like you to join us in our love for making great knitwear.